You are now listening to the House of Creation.
Alright, so right here we're going to go ahead and take these screws off on the back of the blade. Make sure you don't strip them, and make sure you're using the right Phillips head so you don't strip the screws. And then we're going to go ahead and loosen these little screws inside of the blade, and that's what's going to allow you to move the moving blade up and down. You want to make sure whenever you're adjusting these that you don't put the moving blade above the steel blade. That's what cuts clients, and that's what leaves like redness and cuts and stuff like that. So don't adjust them too close, and you can do it by eye, and then you just tighten up those little screws. Make sure they're nice and tight all the way down. Put the blade back on, make sure it's straight, and that's how you adjust your trimmers. You don't have to zero gap them. I can use these on kids and adults. They sound good. They cut the hair. They're not leaving me no kind of redness on my hands. I'm applying a good amount of pressure. So that's it, how to adjust your trimmer straight out of the box. I hope y'all enjoyed this video.